Shirley's Secret Garden. It's super sunny, and I'm gonna let out my butterfly. Hopefully you can see, because I can't. His name is Firework because he was born on 4th of July, which was just yesterday. And so we can tell he's ready because he's flying around, super joyful to get out. He's just like, I know you're letting me out.
We've had him for 1 day, so his wings are strong enough now. You can tell.
Here we go.
So we're gonna let him out and see where he goes.
Is he going? Should I tip the jar a little?
I think maybe if you just take the things out of it, he'll probably just come on out. Or maybe just put him over by the flowers.
Or maybe I can get him on flower. Get on? No, I feel like I'm just crushing him.
There he goes. Whoop, 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 whoa, he took off.
Whoa, that was awesome.
He went up over the house. Oh, I can't see him.
Nope. That was great.
Well, I guess he's gone.
Now we'll a butterfly and his name is Firework. Born on the 4th of July. And so that's what we need.
He didn't even say goodbye.
Well, goodbye, Firework. And Mama wanted to name you Katy Perry.
Mm-hmm. Do you think he'll come back?
Maybe. Probably he likes the flowers and nectar. So, bring it in.
Well, he was definitely ready, huh?
Oh, and he definitely drank. The bowl was filled up to here, and now it's down there. I guess I like the sugar one.
All right. Well, so what do you have in store for us next? How many cocoons do we have?
Next, I think we have about
7?
Wait, 5. And then
6. I think we have 6 left.
We have 3. No, because last time it was 5. And then we had another one. And then this one is hatched.
Yeah, but I think we have 7 left.
Oh.
By my count.
Oh yeah, from the other box.
So can they come back and watch the rest of them hatch and release?
And don't forget about our website. Bye. And keep on watching Shirley's Secret Garden. And in the comments, let us know if you like Firework. Bye.